Good afternoon. My name is Marcela Valdes in the University Open Distance Online. My first question is, what do you know about this millionaire? Elon Musk is an interpreted leading investor and political activist and founder, CEO, and chief engineer of the SpaceX. He is the richest person in the world. Second question. What do you think about his business and companies? In my opinion, he has very successful companies and is very intelligent person. And third question is, what influence does his person his person what influence does his person have on the world and society? Elon Musk is an interpreter, investor, and leader who has a great influence on the world society in various aspects. The world and society, the space exploration important to preserve human conditions. And the fourth question, what do you think about the why he uses his money? Personally, I think that Elon Musk invests his money in technologies and applications and artificial intelligence. The fourth questions, what would you do if you were a millionaire? If I were a millionaire, I would invest in a family business that generates income. I would also have a micro store and travel the world with my family and help the much needy people. Thank you for listening.